Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Gather ingredients and tools first so the process flows. Use 12 large eggs, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 2 tablespoons pickle relish. Measure 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, plus 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 tablespoon chopped chives. Have ready a large pot, mixing bowl, potato masher or fork, a fine sieve for draining, a cutting board, and a knife. Rinse eggs and clear counter space for rapid cooling and assembly. Place eggs in a single layer in a pot and cover with cold water by about 1 inch. This prevents cracking. Bring to a rolling boil, reduce to a gentle simmer, and cook for 10 minutes for firm yolks and consistent texture. Immediately transfer to an ice bath and shock eggs for 10 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Tap and peel each egg, rinse under cool water, then halve and separate whites and yolks. Reserve 12 yolks for the filling. In a bowl, mash the 12 reserved yolks with 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 2 tablespoons pickle relish until smooth and creamy. Stir in 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 tablespoon chopped chives, tasting and adjusting seasoning as needed. Gently fold in the chopped egg whites to retain texture, then transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.